Hi, I'm Jennie Romer. I'm an attorney and the founder of plasticbaglaws.org. I'm an expert on plastic bag laws, and I consult with cities and states all over the country on drafting the most effective legislation. In this series, I'll answer the main questions that I'm asked about these laws and help you become a plastic bag law expert too. I recommend that all bag laws contain a fee component, either a fee on all carryout bags or a ban on thin plastic bags and a fee on all other carryout bags, meaning plastic, paper, reusable, because some plastic bags qualify as reusable. The question then becomes, where does the money go? Local municipalities, meaning cities, counties, and towns, tend to be the entities that are adopting plastic bag laws. Generally, municipalities don't have the power to levy taxes. That power is left up to the state unless the state constitution allows for such things, or unless there is special enabling legislation that allows a city to adopt this type of tax. Washington, D.C. is relatively unique because it's not a city or a state, and it has the power to levy taxes. So part of the money from the 5-cent bag tax in D.C. goes to the Anacostia River Fund, which is used to clean up plastic bag litter from the river and for outreach and education and giveaway of reusable bags. In most other cities in the United States, the fee collected stays with the retailer and no portion of the fee goes to the government. Under LA County's law, which was a ban on thin plastic bags and a 10-cent charge for paper bags, the money stays with the retailer. But LA County was sued by the biggest plastic bag manufacturer in the United States, Hylex Poly, which claimed that the fee still amounted to an unconstitutional tax. LA County won that lawsuit because the court found that because no money went to the government, it was not a tax, but rather an avoidable fee. Most cities are very careful to make sure that not to direct retailers about what to do with the fee collected, because such direction might be seen as something closer to being a tax. This argument hasn't worked anywhere, but cities often want to be very careful given how litigious the plastic bag manufacturing industry is. In some cities, retailers have donated the proceeds from the bag fee to local nonprofit groups that do litter cleanups and restore waterways. The ordinance language should not require this, but retailers can choose to do so of their own accord and get some good PR. Now you know the difference between a bag tax and a bag fee, and why the full amount of the fee usually is mandated to stay with the retailer. Thanks for joining me.